imperfections fade. Can imagine it's homemade. She must be a dreamer. Eyes of a healer. Imperfections feel better.
So we're just chilling at this beautiful little campsite. Lander campsite? I'm not sure. I think so. Dave's getting all comfortable here. We've set up our bivvies.
Oh yeah.
No sleeping bags, obviously, because it's midday. But we pumped up the sleeping mats so we can have a little bit of a comfortable nap after we have our lunch. A siesta. So this is my Talenti ramen bomb. I've got some chili top ramen in there with some Idaho potatoes. I've got some Diablo hot sauce from Taco Bell and some chili lemon chips on top for some crunch. I've also got a teensy tiny little bit of chili lime peanuts in there too. Fancy.
We're just about to leave. We found this. It's one of those balloons that people send up into the sky. They always end up for some reason, I guess, in natural areas, so got to pack it out. But I think those things are a bit gross, so maybe don't let those off into the sky.
People always think like, oh, there it goes. Maybe it's going to go into space. No, this is like the third balloon we've picked up.
Yeah.
It's not great.
Really quick, Shane, do you want to turn around? There is a fat squirrel.
He's got stuff in his mouth. He looks old, like grey.
He's a geriatric squirrel. Oh, he's even got like little bent ears and a sad little tail. Hi, darling.
Say, why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside? Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside? Why would you look outside yourself when you...
Good morning, guys. It is day 33. Oh shit, it's the lucky number. So last night we found this wonderful splat spot. We found a wonderful splat spot.
And what did we do there? We splat onto the ground.
We've been getting lots of sleep lately and we feel great. Been talking about Las Vegas a little bit more. Very excited. Should be getting into some reception in about 2 miles. So hopefully we can plan a little bit of how we're going to get there and where we're going to stay.
When the spring chimes ring, when the orchids bloom, when your music plays, I will pause and go.
This, guys, 1,000 kilometers! Yoo-hoo! How exciting! Davey, we just hit 1,000 Ks.
1,000 Ks?
Yeah. How cool is that?
That's fucking awesome.
Yoo-hoo! For all of those metric dudes out there
And dudettes.
and dudettes, we did 1,000. Finally.
All the times spent alone in your room, laid up to the time.
We're on a road trip.
We're on a road trip. Blitz is driving because he's an absolute legend. Yay!
More donut bites.
Oh my god, we went to Del Taco and we ate so much that even the staff there were just laughing at us. We got so many tacos, so many burritos, and then we discovered the donut bites. Oh my god. We ordered like 40, 50 of them. It was insane. They're $1, you get 4. They come come out piping hot, and they are like tiny little pieces of nirvana.
We're in Death Valley National Park. These are the Mesquite Sand Dunes.
Woohoo!
We're road tripping back around to Ridgecrest, but we're taking the scenic route, so we thought we'd check it out here. This is pretty bloody hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 113 right now.
Yeah.
It's not great.
So it's like mid 40s Celsius.